Ancient Civilizations of Anatolia. Chapter 6. The Troy. A Simple History for English Learners. A 1. Who were the Trojans? Troy was an ancient city in northwestern Anatolia. Troy became famous because of the Trojan War. The Trojan horse story is one of the most famous legends in history. The city had very strong walls for protection. The war was between Troy and the Greek armies. Troy was an important center for trade. Today, the ruins of Troy can still be visited in Turkey. Troy was an ancient city in Anatolia. It was near the sea and trade routes. Many people traveled through this region. Troy had very strong walls. These walls protected the city from enemies. The city was difficult to attack. A long war started between Troy and the Greeks. The war lasted many years. Both sides fought for victory. The Greeks built a big wooden horse. They left it outside the city. The Trojans brought the horse into Troy. Greek soldiers were hiding inside the horse. At night, they opened the city gates. The Greek army entered the city. The city was attacked at night. Troy was destroyed after the long war. Many people escaped the city. Before the war, Troy was rich. Trade ships passed near the city. This made Troy important. In modern times, archaeologists found Troy. They discovered ancient ruins. Today, people visit the site. The story of Troy became a legend. Books and movies tell this story. People still remember Troy today. Troy became part of world history. The story still lives today. It teaches lessons about war and strategy. Now it is your turn. What protected the city of Troy? What trick helped the Greeks enter the city? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.